do I take this pain of mine?
It's so interesting how the most popular questions I get asked change every year. Recently, it's gone from what's the best supplement to take or best pre-workout to getting messages now of how do I start working out? Well, I do appreciate the inquiries because you've peeped out my website. You're checking out my online training protocols, looking for the perfect workout plan. Truth is, there is no perfect plan. You have anxiety in just starting. It's paralysis by analysis. It's a real condition, and it's real simple to overcome. If you're an absolute newbie, just start moving. Start walking. It's not just about moving that one time or 1 week. It has to be consistent, at least 3 times per week. Action defeats anxiety every time. Just the same, if you're not a stranger to being committed to a regular exercise program and you want to level up your fitness, become stronger, liquidate that fall fat, shoot me a DM and I'll put you in the right direction.
I run, but it stays right by my side.